Hi again. Today I am here with the unboxing of the Hermès Kelly Depeches 25 pouch. Okay, so the very first thing, you see this is in black or noir. It comes with the iconic Kelly buckle, palladium plated. And this is actually a men's bag. So you see that there's angled corners here that correspond to the briefcases and style of the men's bag line. Okay, so inside there is one big pocket here. Hermès says this is a tablet compartment, but the bag is 25 centimeters or about 9.9 inches long. So the only tablet that I think will fit in here is potentially an iPad mini or obviously a cell phone. There is also an interior pocket here as well, where you can put some documents or a wallet, change, bills, etc. And you can see that the interior pocket also has this leather. So a little bit about this leather. It is actually called Hermès or Galop de Hermès cowhide. And it looks like togo or epsom, except that the grains are a little bit bigger. And it does have a little bit of a rough texture, so it's not as smooth as epsom. It's kind of close to togo, but with larger grains. So I have a togo bag right here. And if I put them side by side, you can see that the togo has smaller grains than the Galop de Hermès. And the togo texture compared to the Galop de Hermès is very similar. I would say the Galop de Hermès is somewhere between epsom and togo in terms of roughness. Togo is a little bit rougher than Galop de Hermès, which is in turn a little bit rougher than epsom. So Galop de Hermès sits right in the middle between togo and epsom. All right. Some other things to note about this is that the strap here is removable. I have seen some people on Instagram wear this with a crossbody strap. So there is on this side the built-in strap here. So I believe they put something here around the strap to make it a crossbody bag, but I'm not 100% sure about that. And in terms of sizing, the length, as I mentioned, is 9.9 inches. The height is 7.9 inches, and the depth is 1.9 inches. So Depeche in French means diplomatic pouch for communications. So this is really intended for some small everyday items like wallet, keys, and cell phones. And it is a little bit nice that you have two compartments here so you can do a little bit of organization as well. So in the US, as of January 2023, the Galop de Hermès leather Kelly Depeches 25 pouch, that's a mouthful, retails for $8,850. There are other versions with epsom and I believe togo calfskin as well that are a little bit cheaper. Those are about $8,300, $8,400, but the Galop de Hermès is $8,850. It does come in a variety of colors as well. Black or noir is the most common. I have seen a dark blue and a dark red and brown and gray as well, but those are much rarer than the black in my experience. As always, please feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.